The Selection Filter tool, introduced in version 8 of MPanel Production, helps to simplify the selection of meshes, points, curves, lines or polylines from your model, so you can then copy, move or delete them. To demonstrate this, we have some meshes, curves and points, which are on different layers. In this case, we've called the layers red, blue and green. Let's first highlight everything. Then, with our layer set to any, we want to select just the points. We run the tool and we see the message that production has completed selecting entities, and we can see in the drawing that only the points are now highlighted. We can now use Rhino commands like copy to make a copy of the points. This will work with other Rhino tools like move or delete, all of which are helpful when working on a project. We can use the On Layer option to further refine the selection criterion. Let's highlight everything again. This time we just want to select meshes on layer green. We run the tool and now see the message that production has completed selecting entities, and we can see in the drawing that only the one mesh on the green layer is highlighted. If we try to select meshes on the red layer, which has no meshes, we only have meshes on the green and blue layers. Production reports no entities match the selection rules. If you make any changes to the layers in your drawing, you need to use the Layer Refresh tool so the layer changes can be read in. Let's see how this new tool works in a typical marine fabric project. The normal workflow for the modeling phase of a typical marine project is, firstly, we scan or digitize the boat frame using one of many tools available to produce a set of data points, curves and lines that represent the shape of the boat. These need to be cleaned up and smoothed and corrected, and MPanel Production includes a comprehensive suite of tools to make this a simple process. We then add meshes to the clean set of lines to create the 3D model we can visualize. Then we have to make a copy of the meshes, which we'll use to convert into panels. And here we can see how the new selection tool simplifies this process. We first make a copy of the entire boat model, including the curves, points and meshes, then filter for curves, and then use the Rhino delete tool to leave us with just the meshes and any points. Then we go on to arrange the meshes and of course delete old, and then finally convert the meshes to panels.